I don't think you understand how much of a hot mess this is gonna be. Okay. So apparently we're doing an unboxing video for a Ring Peephole camera. Spiffy. Not sure how that exactly works. This is easy to install, so that's a bonus. I like that it says it's easy to install. I don't know that I believe it. Got a whole bunch of stuff apparently. Should have the camera, a charging cable. Oh, it's got the tools. Oh, that's handy. All right. A manual and a sticker. But you have to have your own Wi-Fi and power. Do we have our own power? Yeah. Okay, cool. It says here, that's what it's got. Need Wi-Fi. That makes sense. Needs on a rechargeable battery. Oh, it's included. That's fine then. Right. Say hello to Ring. Hello. Sticker. Download the app. Scan the code. Oh, it's got a code. That's nice. And then you say, hey, 3 steps. I can do that. It's got a booklet. Hey, that's good. I like that that's got pictures. Like big pictures. Okay. All right. Assume this is the actual cat. Hey, that was in the picture. That's the doorbell. I bet you that's the doorbell. Makes a clicky sound. Feels fairly durable. I might be able to not break that. That sounds good. That's, I don't know what that is. That's the Peephole Cam. Bet you that goes in there. Oh, I like that they're all labeled. Oh, they're all labeled. Oh, okay, it's a thingy. It's metal. It's not breakable. It's fine. I don't know what that is. It's a key. It's a peephole key. I don't know how you have a key for a peephole. I'm gonna put that with that, so I don't lose track of what that is. Oh, it's a USB cable. All right, cool. So that means you could probably replace this with a different USB if it breakifies. Peephole kit. That looks like a battery thingy. Looks like batteries. Feels like batteries. It's a battery. It's hefty. You could chuck that at somebody. Hey, look, there's the thingy. This is the recharging thingy. So that goes like, hey. It goes like that. All right, cool. Cool beans. There's a thingy over there. A thingy over here. Nope, I'll have to read the instructions. Thingy. Which I think those two go together. I think this thing goes in there. I bet you they do. Hey, it says scan during setup. How fancy. That's probably the same thing as over here. Probably that thing. You scan that, and there is a dealy bob. No. I bet you that one goes there. We're gonna find out. Ooh, how fancy. I'm not gonna put that together because I'm willing to bet you I'm gonna break it. That thing is supposed to come off. It said so. There's a thing. Remove once in door. I'll leave that alone. It's fine. We're all good. So you got your battery pack cord thingy. This thingy, which comes apart, and the peephole key. That looks pretty easy. I bet you I could do this. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be fine. Oh. Yeah, you use the key to, all right. Just pop off your peephole. Then you put the camera in it. That makes sense. I can do this. This is gonna be good. I can do this. I think I'm tightening it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right? Looks like a casing thingamajigger. Place the outdoor assembly. All right. So, remove the orange cap. I already did that. Rear cover. Pull it apart. Set this cover aside for now. In the pocket. Place the assembly. Oh, you know what? I should take this tape off. My arms are long enough. Place this, carefully slide onto the tube until it's flush with your door. Make sure it doesn't push out. Pull out the connecty cable. Delicately draw it out of the tube. Oh, hey. That thing comes out. All right. Comes out like that. until there's no more slack left. Bam! Join the indoor and outdoor assemblies. Do not attempt to thread the cable through the nut. Cool. Just goes this way. Screws on. How handyful. That looks pretty level. Yeah, I think that's level. Cool. Pull the cable taut and then firmly press the connector into the port. Oh, that port. Pull up the slack, plug it in, push it into the channel, and then go down. Alright. I got it. Insert the battery. And so it clicks into place. Don't put the cover on just yet. Complete the ring setup a device instructions. Woo. Okay, so we did the setup. We did that. And then it's got a little shutter thingy. Poof. Done.